Greetings from Tool Zone. Craving that satisfying feeling? You're in the right place. Watch how expert hands transform everyday tasks into stunning displays of precision. Time to enjoy some top-tier skill in action. With just a call, the birds flock to her. It's as if she's their chosen leader. Her connection with them is nothing short of magical. They say you can stare endlessly at fire and someone else working, and I get it. There's something calming and meaningful about watching skilled hands in action. Weaving metal mesh isn't just a job, it's a performance where cold steel transforms into a flawlessly structured pattern. If you've never seen it in action, now's the perfect time to fill that gap. Any task feels lighter with a good partner, especially one who keeps the mood up and the tools handy. Burning feathers onto hot plates? That's one unique and artistic twist. That golden, fluffy pancake is almost hypnotic. You can't look away. One like for the chef, and another for making us all hungry. In India, traditional treats are made their own way. Forget sterile kitchens. This is all about centuries-old flavor and unbeatable street atmosphere. It's not just cooking, it's a performance. But the real magic? You don't watch it, you taste it. There's something awe-inspiring about watching a massive tree come down. It's like slow-motion drama straight from an epic film. This conveyor system is more than functional. It's hypnotic, like a ballet of machines performing a perfectly choreographed routine. This pipe feels like it goes on forever, doesn't it? A Bubble Show isn't just kid stuff. It's a doorway to a magical realm. Giant, shimmering bubbles float through the air, so mesmerizing that even adults forget everything, except that sudden urge to be a kid again. It might look a bit odd at first, but don't be too quick to judge. It works. Sometimes it's the unconventional methods that bring the most impressive results. A brush cutter is used to trim overgrown vegetation and clear grass around a stone fence. Woodworking might seem tough, but the right tool turns any challenge into a satisfying experience. It's all about skill, precision, and enjoying the craftsmanship. Who needs heavy machinery when one determined person can clear the road just as well? It's like magic. Watch how effortlessly the fabric smooths out. One roofer, one nail gun, and the job's done in no time. It's impressive to see such efficiency and craftsmanship come together so smoothly. There's only one word for this: masterpiece. Crafting a perfect round shape from this material is no easy feat, but these pros make it look effortless. Pure craftsmanship in action. Designing a stunning cake is not only essential, but also a fun and engaging experience. Throwing materials up to someone on a rooftop? That's serious teamwork and serious trust. One wrong move and it could go very wrong. I don't know about you, but I'm completely captivated by this. Some pieces of jewelry don't just shine, they impress with their sheer size and presence. Feeding and cleaning up after livestock might sound routine, until you watch it at double speed. Suddenly it's a full-on farm performance. Who knew beachcombing could turn into treasure hunting? Under all that sand, you might just find coins, trinkets, or even gold. Remote controlling a giant bulldozer with a handheld device. It's not sci-fi anymore, it's cutting-edge tech brought to life. When lasers slice through darkness, painting stunning patterns and true talent steps on stage, you just sit there, speechless. This isn't a performance, it's visual hypnosis and soul-soothing brilliance. A woman skillfully coils a red corrugated pipe into a neat roll. Need to strip off old layers of paint or plaster at home? This tool is exactly what you need. It makes surface prep fast and effortless. You'll be amazed at how smooth the results are. This shoe painting technique is something else. I never imagined it could be done this way, and the end result is mesmerizing, like watching a color explosion in slow motion. There's no substitute for skilled manual labor. It delivers truly amazing results. Imagine how much practice it takes to gain such precise hand control.